Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, 'tis time for my first vlog here on Cedric Speaks. Now, before I start, real quick, this channel right here, I got people complaining already about the religion atheist videos that I made. Right off the bat there, go fuck yourself. Clearly explained before opening this page or when I promoted this page that there is going to be videos about religion on this page. More specifically, videos where I talk shit against religion. So, you know, if you're going to sub to this page, don't watch the religion vids if you don't want to watch them. Straight up. Okay, if you're not able to handle a channel with atheist vids or whatever, just don't subscribe to the channel. Or if you do, don't watch the religious videos. It is what it is. Alright, this page is for me to express myself. It's not some type of sellout channel. I'm not going to try to do rants so I can get views and subs. Just a little side account for me to express myself and to have fun on YouTube. That's it. And for me, fun is talking about religion and how stupid it is. So if y'all can't handle that, don't sub to this page. Now that we got the negative bullshit out of the way there, it's time for my first vlog. On my other channel, I talked about how I was sick recently, couple months ago, or couple weeks ago. I mean, I was very, very sick. I had big pain in my stomach from here all the way to my testicles. Huge fucking pain. I tried to go to the bathroom. I'd wake up at like 4 or 5 in the morning. I'd have to go to the bathroom big time. I'd poop about this much. Then it would hurt so bad I was almost crying there. I can't poop. Okay, so I had to go to the hospital. Get to the emergency room. I'm waiting 5-6 hours in huge ass fucking pain. Eventually, the hot noise brings me to the back, so they give me a bed or whatever. I have to take my clothes off, put on their fucking sheet, robe, jacket with no back, whatever the fuck it's called. So a hot nurse comes in. She tells me that she's a student in nursing, so she's maybe 20 years old maximum there. She starts touching me and shit to see where it hurts. And because I mentioned the testicles, she asks me if she can touch my privates. I'm like, you know, do what you gotta do. So she starts, you know, applying pressure all over my cock, all over my balls. But I was very sick. Normally, under these circumstances, my cock would have went to this size or something. I would have got a big hard on. But since I was in such pain, my penis was like dead. I was ashamed of my penis. But at the same time, it was cool getting, you know, my dick touched and shit by a hot nurse. But again, my dick was, you know, not at its finest there. So she probably thought I had a little penis or whatever, but I was sick. You understand, I wasn't in full force there. I would have had to move a little bit to get the shit out. It was like, you know, like when you go swimming when it's cold, your dick just like goes inside or something. That's what was going on. My penis wasn't good or whatever. Then another nurse, later on, like 20 minutes later, she comes in, and she was petite, like short, and very, very hot. She starts doing stuff to my stomach, and she was all over my crotch. straight up grabbed my crotch like 2-3 times, and I was loving it. I didn't give a fuck if my penis looked like the penis of a cat at the time. Now it's normal again, but I didn't give a shit. This girl was all over my dick and it was fucking awesome. I'm thinking to myself, this is great. I hope they keep me here for a couple days. Have nurses grabbing my penis and shit. And then the real doctor showed up, and it was a guy, you know, and he starts touching me and stuff. Oh, you have an infection in your stomach. Then he's like, I have to check the boys. I'm like, huh? Then he pulls down my pants and starts grabbing my balls. You know, then he's grabbing my penis. Suddenly it wasn't as cool anymore, you know? And then he tells me I have an infection, and it's usually women, he says, that have this infection. So then he asked me if I was gay. I'm like, huh, what? Then he's like, you're bisexual, you have anal sex? I'm like, no, fuck no, you know? I like women or whatever. Then he gives me a prescription and he tells me to leave straight up. I found that pretty weird. Dude walks in, grabs my crotch, he asks me if I'm gay, then he tells me to get the fuck out. And I was still in pain and shit. I'm walking out. It was very fucking terrible. Like 2 weeks of straight up fucking pain. I thought I was gonna die and shit, but you know, the pain is gone now. My penis is back to normal. It's like this big again, like this fucking huge. But you know, everything's okay. I'm, you know, in tip-top shape. I can still fantasize about those nurses grabbing my dick and shit. You know, the penis wasn't at its best, but I ain't gonna see them bitches again, dog. Anyway, I don't give a fuck. I had almost close to getting hand jobs from 2 hot-ass nurses, so it's all fucking good. And I'm A-okay now, so I'm gonna give you all some vlogs like once a week or something. Some religion videos about how it's dumb and maybe some rants here and there. So there you go. That's my story about being sick. You know, hot nurses, then some dude grabbing my dick, saying I'm gay and shit. And it's like he didn't believe me. Oh, you have anal sex, eh? It's like, no, bud, shut the fuck up, you know. Very bad time for WJ. Alrighty, till next time. Peace!